Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of our money analysis session. As you all know, we're basically looking for what opportunities we can get in the market, and you guys get to see how I get my Forex strategy, my entries and exits. Yeah. So before we start proper, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page, and you can always drop comments on what you want to be seeing more. Yeah. So let's get started. Fundamental wise, we all know that we have NFP today. We have NFP today by 130. And then, yeah, that's the only high impact news we have today by 130. So let's pay attention. Let's see how it's going to be. Let's see what we can find. So now, interestingly, I came to the market this morning and then there were actually nice opportunities. Do you understand? Now, if you look at NZDUSD, NZDUSD is actually bullish. So we created this higher high yesterday. We created the higher low. Then we've created another higher high. And then price is sort of looking like it wants to start retracing to the downside now. So if I actually plot our Fibonacci from here to here, you'll see that the 0.618, see where the 0.618 is. The 0.618 is sharp below this thing. That's one that was broken. So actually, you can actually have a setup like this. Stop loss just a few pips below that 0.79, and then we target this up here. This is one of the trades we can have today, yeah, for a 2.41 hour. Then, if you go to NZDUSD, yeah, if you go to AUDUSD, AUDUSD actually I feel is more interesting. So now this is AUDUSD. Same thing with AUDUSD. Yesterday we created this higher low, went up, we created this higher high. We did not retrace lots, then we actually pushed up to create another higher high. Now, we actually broke this area here. There was more or less a resistance that was broken. So this resistance has a potential to turn to a support. That's our first confluence. Now, the second one, if you actually plot your Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, you'll see that the Fib is just a few bips above there. Do you understand? So what I'm actually planning to do is, okay, since the Fib is above there, we know that price won't just stop exactly at the Fib. So what we can do is just enter at that zone that was broken, yeah? I'll enter that zone that was broken. I'll drop my stop loss just a few pips below the lower high in this case. And then I'll just target up here. I'll target up here. So it's going to give me something like a 2-hour trade. I'll target all these 2.18. I'll target up there. Or if you don't want to drop your stop loss this way, this is 17 pips stop loss. Yeah, if you don't want to drop it, then you can just drop it below the 0.7. Yeah, can get like a 10 pip stop loss. Yeah, just drop it like that. This one will be okay for a 3-hour trade. So this is what we're going to be looking for. I might even place my orders now and wait. Let's see how NFP is going to be. So what NFP might just do for us is just push price down, come and activate, and then want to reverse. So that's what we're going to be paying attention to today. Hope everyone is hearing me.
Yes, we can.
Okay, good. So that's what we're going to be looking out for. Let's wait for price to retrace. I've already set an alert there. Let's wait for price to retrace deep into these areas. They'll be looking to catch the buys from here to the upside. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Okay. So if there's no pair you guys want us to take a look at, then we'll call it a session. Yeah. As
So
well.
my network. Can we
What?
check GBP?
GBP what?
GBP USD.
Okay, cool. Let's take a look at GBP USD. Wahala, 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 wahala. GBS is in an uptrend. This was the analysis we had yesterday. We're waiting for price to retrace deep. Price did not retrace deep. So let me remove all of this. Let's analyze this by ourselves. Yeah. So price basically more or less consolidated here yesterday. We pushed up, we retraced, and then now we pushed up to create another high. And a simple break and retest. Yeah, we broke this high here to the upside. This high is here. We broke it to the upside. So if I actually plot our Fibonacci from here to here, yeah, the Fib is actually around that zone. So you guys can look to take a buy from this 0.618, yeah, just around there. Stop loss, just a few pips below, and then you target the highs, basically. So that's what you can watch out for. Wait for price to get to that 0.618 level. Any other pair you guys want to take a look at?
Can you please check gold, please?
Okay. I'm not going to say anything about this gold. It's looking very shitty. So I have nothing to say about it. I think it's more or less in the range right now, so it's better just to leave it. Any other pair you guys want us to take a look at? Okay, so we'll basically call it a session here. Let's go back and let's wait for the trades we have on AUDUSD and NZDUSD to play out. Yeah. So have a very wonderful day in the market and subsequently have a very wonderful weekend. I'll catch you guys on Tuesday next week. So bye guys. Have a very nice day.